Good morning, dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. This video is for 11th standard students from Chapter 2 Statistics Collection of Data. So, today's topic is what is data and types of data. The first one is primary, second is secondary. So, data is basically information in numbers you are collecting for specific purpose, like you are going to do a survey door to door and you are collecting information in the numbers from a family. Suppose there are families who are using two dustbins and there are a family who is using only one dustbin. So you have to do survey that you have in your colony 10 families, 12 or 20 families, they are using two dustbin or one dustbin. So you will collect the data and numbers. So this is data, okay, primary data, because you are collecting from its source of origin. And there is another source of data which is secondary source of data. See, if you are preparing a project, economics project or any project, and you are collecting data from the web, newspapers, magazines, and any source, it is already published. So what you have to do, just you have to search on the web and you will get data like census of India and literacy rate of India, male female ratio, male female literacy rate, male female sex ratio, and there are a lot of data like any data you are collecting from the web, newspaper, magazines, or already published. So what you have to do, just you have to search on the web and you will get data like census of India and literacy rate of India, male female ratio, male female literacy rate, male female sex ratio, and there are a lot of data like any data you are collecting from the web, newspaper, magazines, or any other sources, it is already published, it is collected by someone other. Just what you are doing, you are using the already published data in your project, in your study, wherever you are. So it is called secondary data. And suppose I am giving you a project and you are going door to door to do a survey, any kind of survey, and you are collecting data by yourself. So it is the primary data. And suppose you are not collecting data by yourself, but government is hiring surveyor for a specific purpose and sending them to collecting data. Like now these days, we have heard a advertisement that कि अगर आपके घर कोई आता है information कलेक्ट करने from the government, you have to let them know the correct info about you. है ना, आपकी फैमिली में कितना मेंबर्स हैं, मेल फीमेल कितना है, ओल्ड कितना है, न्यूबॉर्न कितना है, रिसेंटली किसी की डेथ हुई है, आपको करेक्ट इन्फॉर्मेशन देना है. ये एडवर्टाइजमेंट बार बार आ रहा है. व्हाई? बिकॉज गवर्नमेंट इज वर्किंग ऑन सेंसस एंड दिस इज द वे ऑफ कलेक्टिंग प्राइमरी डाटा. Okay, dear students, so good day, have a nice day, bye bye, we'll meet soon. And one more thing, my dear students, if you want to do download the notes, you can check in comment section. There is a link. You can go and download. Bye bye. Take care.